What if I told you that boosting your metabolism for fat loss is a lot easier than you think? And not only that, but a boosted metabolism can enhance your energy levels, mood, mental clarity, and even muscle growth. A boosted metabolism will not only transform your body, but also your life. In this video, we'll explore everything from exercises to diet, stress management, and more. Resistance training impacts your metabolism through EPOC, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. Simply put, it's the afterburn effect. Your body continues to burn calories even after your workout. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, works similarly to resistance training, burning up to 300 more calories in 24 hours than steady-state cardio. Resistance training also boosts muscle mass, which in turn increases your metabolic rate, leading to greater fat loss. Protein has the highest thermic effect of all macronutrients, meaning your body uses more energy to digest it. Including more protein in your meals can help improve your metabolism. Whole foods are a big yes. Processed foods are a huge no. They are easily absorbed by the body, increasing the chances of weight gain. Fiber improves digestion and helps control blood sugar spikes, benefiting your metabolism. Staying hydrated is crucial. Water can temporarily boost your metabolism by up to 25% for nearly an hour after drinking. Quality sleep and managing stress are essential for a healthy metabolism. Sleep deprivation and chronic stress can slow down your metabolic rate. Meal timing can support metabolic health. Eating more frequently can help some people regulate their blood sugar and energy levels. Certain foods and supplements can boost your metabolism. For instance, capsaicin in chili peppers increases your resting energy expenditure. An active lifestyle and healthy habits play a significant role in keeping your metabolism in check. Simple changes like moving more can make a big difference. Hormones, particularly from the thyroid, control your metabolism. An imbalance can slow down metabolic function. Boosting your metabolism can transform not just your body, but your entire life. Start today by making these simple changes for a healthier you.